The Mercator projection is a cylindrical map projection. It became the standard map projection for nautical purposes. This is because it represents courses of constant bearing as straight segments. The projection was invented by Gerardus Mercator, a Flemish cartographer, in 1569. It revolutionized navigation, making sea travel safer and more efficient. The Mercator projection is widely used for navigation charts. Imagine wrapping a cylinder around a globe. The Mercator projection projects the Earth's surface onto this cylinder. To draw it, start with a grid representing latitude and longitude. Next, stretch the grid vertically. This stretching increases with latitude. The poles, at 90 degrees latitude, are infinitely stretched. Finally, unwrap the cylinder. This creates the familiar rectangular map with straight lines of longitude and latitude. The result is a map where the shapes of continents are preserved, but their sizes are distorted. On a Mercator projection, lines of latitude and longitude appear as straight intersecting lines. This makes it easy to determine direction. However, the projection distorts areas, particularly near the poles. For example, Greenland appears much larger than Africa on a Mercator projection. Despite its limitations, the Mercator projection remains invaluable for navigation. Its ability to represent lines of constant bearing as straight lines is crucial for plotting courses. The Mercator projection is a testament to human ingenuity in mapmaking. It revolutionized navigation and remains widely used today. However, it is crucial to understand its limitations. The projection's distortion of area can lead to misconceptions about the relative sizes of land masses. By understanding the principles behind the Mercator projection, we can appreciate its strengths while remaining aware of its limitations. This understanding is essential for interpreting maps accurately and forming a balanced view of the world.